Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this very traditional Onam makeup look, and also today I'm going to use only my fingers for my base makeup. So let's get started. Keep on watching guys.
Yeah.
As always, I'm starting with the moisturizer. For this I'm using the Nivea soft cream moisturizer. I'm applying all over my face and neck. To prime my face, I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This one is a silicone based primer. Today I'm going to use my finger only. No brushes and no blender or sponge for base makeup. For corrector, I'm using a NYB corrector. And also I'm spotting my scars area. Now for foundation, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation. I'm in shade 338 Spicy Brown. I'm dotting all over my face and applying with the fingers. Generously I'm applying over my face in a circular motion. Again I'm dotting some amount of foundation around my mouth. Today I'm not going to use a concealer, so now I'm gonna set my foundation with compact. In same brand Maybelline Fit Me in shade 330. Here I'm using my finger to pack this powder on my face, mainly in highlighting area, that is under eye area, nose, around my mouth. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with a Missclaire eyebrow pencil in color black. Now going to my eye makeup. For this I'm using the palette from the Wet n Wild Stop Playing Safe variant. I will be applying this burgundy shade on my lids with the ring finger and blend it out nicely. After that I am taking this brown shimmery shade and it also applying on my middle of the lid. And in my lower waterline and upper waterline, I am using my new Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. This one is a jet black and its application was very smooth. And then now I'm going to line a top lash line with the Faces Canada magnetized liner. And for this look I'm gonna do my lower lash line with this eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a blush with my middle finger. For this I'm using the Blue Heaven blush in shade 503. This is a dupe of Color Bar blush. And to give it some brightening, I am applying the Molten Golden highlighter from Maybelline to highlight my face. And for the lips, first I am moisturizing with my Blue Heaven lip balm and I am going with the Eye Amsterdam lip crayon in shade Berry. And for some subtle look I am applying NYB lip crayon. This one is a I exactly don't know the shade, so you check it out from the description box. I will mention there. Now I'm going to apply a mascara. For this, using a Faces Canada magnetized mascara and also applying in my lower lashes. Now got my jewelry and I have a low bun with some flower on. For this hairdo, I have uploaded in my Instagram IGTV. You can check it out from there. And well, this is the final look. So yeah, Onam is on. So I hope this will be useful for you. And guys, happy Onam and thank you so much for watching, and meet you on another video. Tata, bye bye, take care, see you.